Alright, we are towards the back of the house. Got a pool right here, which is gonna be the south. We got a clean out. I believe it's 3 inch. Looks like 4. It's 3 inch. Then we come in this way, cast iron, and we turn into the east, 1.1 foot 7 across the patio. We located over here, 1 foot 10, and we keep going towards the north. We got this flag right here, which is gonna be 2 foot 7 inches. Now, the pipe is going right through these masses, bushes, and trees. So this is the neighbor yard, and this is the house we're gonna make or do the trench. But my locator is telling me it's coming all the way towards the neighbor's yard. I got a water meter right there, and I look at the pipe 3 feet 3 inches down. However, my locator was acting up a little bit. Not sure. No, I'm not 100% sure it's coming towards the neighbor's yard. But the homeowner tried to keep all these bushes like as it is. So he wants to know if we can line it from here to that point out and at the other side of the fence, and then from there all the way to the clean out we're gonna do a trench.